Okay, this is January 25th, 2026. We're getting a major snowstorm. They're saying anywhere from 8 to 18 inches out here. It's coming across the northeast and coming up the coast. And we've only got, I don't know, 4 to 6 inches so far. I just cleared off the roof of the portable garage, but it's light powdery snow, so it's not too heavy to deal with, but it's comes down pretty fast, and it's the small stuff, the small light powdery stuff. So I just came out to clear that off, and it's definitely coming down fast. And we'll see what we get in the morning. When it's supposed to go all day today. Well, it started, I looked out this morning, it started about 11 o'clock. It was snowing, and it's supposed to go all day today and into tomorrow, all night and into tomorrow morning. And we're gonna have a lot of plowing to do. But I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but it's that small stuff that comes down real fast, like. So it's really blowing up and coming down. Anyway, this is the big snowstorm, January 25th, 2026. And I'm going to make a video in the morning too with how much there actually comes down, because it's just, I was looking on the radar a little while ago, and this is just the beginning of it, and it's been going all day here. It goes all the way down, and we're just on the outer edge of it still. So I think there's going to be quite a bit, because when I was looking on the radar, like I say, it was just the outer edge, and we've got a long way to go. So it's going to be interesting. All right, anyway, thanks for watching.